Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market so you can shop smart and confidently. Today, we're reviewing the best Pet Carrier Airline Approved, the Petmate Sky Kennel, a top-tier travel crate designed for pets up to 15 pounds. If you're a frequent flyer or just planning a one-time move with your small furry friend, stick around. This 5-minute review will help you decide if the Sky Kennel is the right fit for your journey. Let's kick things off with what makes this crate a standout: compliance. Traveling with pets can be a nerve-wracking process, especially with all the regulations involved. The Petmate Sky Kennel takes the stress out of that by meeting IATA requirements for live animal transport. That means it adheres to the safety and ventilation standards required by most major airlines. This makes it not just a travel crate, but a trusted companion for your pet's journey through the skies. Now let's talk design and comfort. The Sky Kennel is sized at 21 inches and is ideal for small dogs like Chihuahuas or similarly sized cats and toy breeds. With interior dimensions of 18.75 inches long, 13.5 inches wide, and 14.5 inches high, it offers ample room for your pet to sit, lie down, and even turn around. There's a reason this kennel is a go-to for airline travel. Your pet's comfort is prioritized without compromising on safety. Speaking of safety, the durability of this crate is worth highlighting. It's constructed in the USA using Ecotech plastic, which includes at least 90% pre-consumer recycled materials. That means it's eco-conscious and built tough. The door features an easy squeeze latch with interlocking tabs that ensure the door stays securely closed during transit. And for added safety, there are tie-down strap holes around the perimeter of the kennel, which airlines often require for cargo hold transport. Ventilation is another area where this crate shines. The Sky Kennel features 360-degree ventilation, so your pet has access to fresh air from all sides. This also helps reduce anxiety during travel, as it allows your pet to see out and stay cool. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get travel ready. Petmate includes 2 live animal stickers, an absorbent pad, an ID label area, and clip-on food and water cups that attach securely to the door. These small but critical additions mean you don't have to worry about sourcing airline-specific accessories last minute. The portability factor is also solid. While the crate is heavy-duty and solid in construction, it includes a folding top handle, making it easier to lift and move around when needed. Whether you're navigating an airport, loading into a car, or carrying the crate into a cargo terminal, this detail adds a practical touch. Now, one more thing to appreciate about the Sky Kennel is the brand behind it. Petmate has over 60 years of experience in making pet products, and it shows. Their attention to detail, safety, and comfort sets them apart in the market. You're not just buying a crate. You're investing in decades of research and refinement aimed at giving pets the best experience possible. There are also larger sizes available if you're traveling with a bigger pet, but keep in mind each comes with varying price points. If you're looking for a sturdy, airline-approved, pet-friendly crate that ticks all the boxes for comfort, durability, and safety, this is one of the best options on the market. Your pet deserves a secure and comfortable travel experience, and with the Sky Kennel, that's exactly what you're providing. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future reviews. Safe travels, for both you and your furry co-pilot.